it's Tom from Tom's Tunes. I'm here early to get this boat started behind me. This is a 2003 SmokerCraft, 20 foot, 8 foot wide. It's a nice boat. Railings are in good shape, so those will stay, but I gotta get up in here and get our console stuff unhooked so that Corey and Marty can get on this boat today and tear everything apart. I'm gonna walk you through it right now and show you what it looks like before we get started, and we'll take you through the process, show you what it looks like throughout and when we're done. We've got the typical moss growing. Carpet's not in terrible shape. It was covered most of its life. It's got a nice running 50 horsepower, 2-stroke Mercury. Plenty of power for a 20-foot boat. We'll clean all this up, just some dirty engine residue and exhaust. The sun deck has already been removed. We'll have that at the upholstery shop to get recovered to match the new seats. Let's climb in and take a look. So again, carpet's not in terrible shape, but the seats are all sunburnt, sun faded. We will reuse their gauges on the console, and then the shift throttle. It's going to be a standard console from Pontoon Stuff, so that throttle will fit. We'll reuse their steering system, put a new steering wheel on. There she is before. Let's get to work on this boat. Get it some new plywood, vinyl flooring, new seating. It's going to be sharp when we're done.
We are back with the SmokerCraft. This is the route that you can take when your railings are in great shape, your decals are all in one piece still. All we had to do was clean them up a little bit. The wonderful Miss Corey gave them a quick scrub down, power washed them off, cleaned up really nice. We installed the new tan vinyl weave flooring. This has a little layer of cushion to it, so I always tell people with this flooring, I want to kick my shoes off and walk in bare feet on it. We installed LED navigation lights, LED docking lights right into the front railings, give it a little more modern look. This is one of those awesome things about these seats. There is so much storage space underneath here. This boat's got tons of storage. We have storage under this seat, storage on this side. Pop them off, and that exposes these premium. This is the ivory base color with a green and a tan accent. Really sharp seats, 6-year warranty. What we have for the captain in this boat is the low back helm chair with armrests on a swivel base, and that slides forward and back too. This console is a standard console from PontoonStuff.com. We reused the tachometer, the fuel gauge we had to replace, but it works now. We were able to use the Mercury controls. This is a binnacle control box, the key switch, everything is right here on this new console. We've got a switch panel. It's got all of our goodies on it. We have the DeckMate stereo that we have powered up by the switch, 4 speakers. So a really nice little setup for a console. In the back, we'll pop these covers off. With the seat covers off, we expose this nice big back. This is like the social lounge of the boat. We've got a lean back into a 38 bench, 28 corner. We come across with a 38 or 55 bench and an armrest. This sun deck was reupholstered using the same vinyl from PontoonStuff.com as the seats, and we even can lay the accent in. Gives us access to tons of storage in the back, the fuel tank, and the engine and battery switch. The bimini top on this boat, the frame was in great shape, all the hardware is there, but it did need a new canvas, so we did a green bimini top, 8 foot by 8 foot, with a boot cover, easy to install, and we did do an LED navigation light up top, nice and bright for those night cruises. That's how this boat finished up. This is a great option if you're out there restoring your own boat. to reuse your railings, got a good motor, your frame of your pontoon is good, just needs new flooring, needs some new seats. This boat got new electrical, and now it's ready for another 20 plus years on the water.